Everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your defeat into victory. So there is a lot of guy, maybe no, almost all people in this planet, they face defeat, they face challenges, obstacle, okay, while they do any positive good thing, okay. So included you and me, they do face this stuff. So how do you overcome this stuff? So first, what you need to do in order to overcome the obstacle, the temporary defeat that you're facing, challenging, like while you are doing exercise you are facing the criticism of others sayings about something you, while you are doing anything on online, people are commenting bad way about you. While you are doing good stuff in anywhere, people are seeing you jealous in very way. So this type of stuff, defeat. Okay, while you are reading book on road, people are criticize you. Oh, you are, master of anything. Okay, they are like jealous you, they are like criticize you, critique you. So this type of defeat you face, maybe your daily life, how you can make them victory. So first, accept that there is a defeat and fight with them. Okay, fight with that defeat. Okay, anything in your heart you face the same thing. Okay, just accept that stuff and make them victory. Fight with that, and into of the into of the stuff, into of the journey, you will see that you get whatever you wanted. Okay, some people, they ignore defeat. It never work like this way. You need to accept it, you need to fight with it, you need to be warrior. Okay, you need to be warrior in that thing. Okay, so this way you can defeat, you can overcome your defeat obstacle, your challenges. Okay, so maybe you understand what I'm saying. See you in the next time.